Tap, tap, tap. Hear the paws today. The Little Paws Parade is on its way. Clap, clap, clap. The rhythm's fun to play. March along and shout, hooray! Tiny bunnies hop in time, boing, boing, boing. Fluffy tails and ears that swing. Next come puppies. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Their happy paws go romp, romp, romp. Kittens pounce with gentle grace. Tip-tap, tip-tap. Such a sweet pace. Ducklings splash, splish, splash, splish. They march in line, swish, swish, swish. Then bear cubs boom with a jolly sound. Boom, boom, boom. They shake the ground. Monkeys swing and laugh with pride. They clap and drum from side to side. Elephants trumpet, roars, so loud their thumping feet draw quite a crowd. Froggies join from the river's edge, jumping high from ledge to ledge. Pandas roll, thud, thud, spin. With silly giggles they join in. Lambs go bouncing up the hill, soft and fluffy, never still. Now the birds tweet, tweet in tune, dancing under the silver moon. Butterflies flutter, soft and light. Their tiny wings make colors bright. Tap, clap, stomp, hooray. The Little Paws Parade is here to stay. Flap, hop, wiggle, spin. Let's go once more and march again. All together now. Bunnies hop, puppies stomp, kittens twirl and play, ducklings waddle, bears go boom, and monkeys sway. Elephants trumpet, pandas cheer, little paws dancing far and near. Tap, tap, tap. Now the day is done. The Little Paws Parade was so much fun. Close your eyes. It's time to rest. Tomorrow brings more paws and zest.